Hello, I'm Jeff Denton, product manager of Catlow and AMO. I'm here to show you our Catlow nozzles. First, we're showing our new DEF nozzle with the integrated swivel breakaway, which has a 360-degree swivel, plus it separates right at the joint. We have our standard flow nozzles with our C720 multi-plane swivel. And then our new product is the Ergo nozzle with the integrated swivel breakaway, which is available for all of our nozzles. Again, full 360-degree swivel, no threads are exposed, separates right at the nozzle. Then we have our high flow diesel, again, with an integrated swivel breakaway. Outside of the nozzles, we are now introducing our new quick clean kits, which are very simple and easy, grab and go. When you need to clean your dispensers once a week, you grab the kit. One kit cleans both sides of the dispenser. It is safe, no PPEs necessary. It comes with individual wipes, cleans the screens, cleans the plastic, cleans the hanging hardware. Plus we have, for the inside, point of sale cleaning kits, which contains everything you need to clean your POS system.